For today's video, I will be trying and testing the winged eyeliner stamp from iMethod Beauty. So if you want to find out if this eyeliner hack is worth it, keep watching. Hey babies, welcome to another video. I am in an extremely good mood today to film. I don't know why, but I am, even though everything is bad. It is extremely hot. My hair is like one big frizzy poof. I feel like sweat drops going down my back as I'm talking, but we're just gonna keep it moving. Yes, it's all good today. If today's hack works, then it is gonna make our life so much easier. Winged eyeliner is one of the things that I take the longest with to perfect when I do my makeup for like special occasions and stuff. It's gotten to the point where in regular life, everyday life, I just don't bother with eyeliner. You know, I just put on mascara and I go because I know if I spend time doing my liner, I am gonna be late to wherever it is I'm going. So I save the liner for special occasions and I take my time putting it on. Yes, now if this contraption works, that can all change. We can have beautiful winged lined eyes every day or whenever we feel like it. I don't know if you are familiar with my channel. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and fitness. I've done another iMethod Beauty review before, and that was on their brow stamp. So if you are having issues with your brows, make sure to check out that video to see if the brow stamp can make things easier for you. And right now I'm hoping that this works, but we're gonna try it, so keep watching. So you might have noticed I'm not wearing anything on my lashes or my eyes. They're not lined or anything. And I am going to apply this for the first time on camera with you guys. Now let me show you what you get. I believe you can purchase this on Amazon. Look below for the link. I'll just put it there. Whether this works or not, you might want to check them out. So this is the box. This is the packaging. And this is in the packaging. So it's like two pencil type containers, and one is for your right wing and one is for the left wing. When you open it up, one side has a felt tip pen and the other side has the stamp on it, and that's like in the shape of a wing. Not sure if you guys can see it, but yeah, it's in the shape of a wing. Having said that, we are going to try these right now. I'm just gonna pull my hair back and then we'll get right into it. Here we go. We are going to try out the stamp. We're just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna follow the directions. So it's a prep. I prepped already. Basically put on your makeup and your other makeup, and the stamp is last. We're gonna start with the right eye. I don't think I should close my eye, because if I close my eye, I'm not gonna be able to see where I put the wing. I like my liner a little straight. I don't really like, I'm just gonna put this stamp right here. Just gonna gauge it and go boom. Ooh. It's a very modest wing, but yeah, so I stamped it on. That was like zero effort. Now I'm gonna use the other side of the pencil to fill it in and complete it. Let's see how this goes. Oh, I love how pigmented this is. Yeah, I don't think this is really a pointy wing, as pointy as I want it to be, but I'm gonna try to fix that. Let's go. I'm gonna just extend it a little bit because it's not pointy enough for me. Oops! I'm gonna have to fix that because now it's all... Okay, I think I messed it up, guys, because I was over winging it, but I'm gonna have to clean it up. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what my wing ended up looking like. Now I'm gonna finish it off in a minute, but my perfectionist self won't allow it to just let it be. I had to like mess with it. So I'm not really convinced whether this stamp is worth it yet. So I'm gonna do the other eye now just to get a full gauge of how. I don't know. I think I messed with it too much and now it looks like a completely different But I'm gonna do the other eye now so I can get a complete feel for this stamp. Here we go. Oops. I kind of blinked as I was putting on the stamp. Now I do have to say this one came out really good. I like the way I feel better about this one. Let's keep it going. Oops. And here she goes messing with it again. And now I'm gonna clean it up with my concealer because of course she has to mess with it. I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. Normally I don't think this would be necessary, but your girl had to mess with it. And let me show you guys the final result here. I like this one better. It's more natural, but I have some findings about this stamp. So let me just finish off my makeup and I will be back with my final review. So my final review of the winged eyeliner stamp. Is it worth it? I have to say, if you are a makeup newbie or if you are struggling every time you try to put on eyeliner, I'd say try this stamp. There is a little bit of a getting used to learning curve kind of deal. As you saw with me, I had to like put it on. I wasn't happy. Being the crazy person I am, I always wanted to be perfect, and that's like, it's a Kim thing. But anyway, I think this could be useful if you are new to makeup and you want a wing, but you're afraid it's gonna look crazy or it's making you insecure about what you did. With this, you can go out confidently knowing that your wings match. I think more than giving you that wing, it's giving you a guide as to where you can put your wing, and you can kind of enhance it and make it to your liking, like how I did. I wanted a little pointier, so I made it a little pointier. The best thing about this is actually, to me, this part, the felt tip, it's almost like it's a Sharpie, because it's like you just put it on and it's like so pigmented and there is never a fail. I haven't failed on either side. There was product immediately. It's not like I had to go over 10 times like with some products. This just deposited the product immediately. I didn't have to shake it. I didn't have to wait for it to like start coming out and lining my eyes. I give this a solid 8. Yeah, let me know what you think. Would you use this? If so, if you want to get it, make sure you check out the link below the video. And I am getting really impressed with these hacks that they're coming out with. Good job. I know I will be using this on days where I'm in a rush and I don't want to have to figure out the wings, but I want wings, and when I want wings, I will be trying this again. Yes, I will be using this. So let me know what you guys think. Sound up below in the comments. I will be back again next week with another video. So make sure you tune in for that, and I will see you there.